Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the finest product comparisons since the dawn of online shopping. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On the left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, a product so popular it might as well have its own fan club. And on the right, we have the REECOO Steam Mop, which sounds like a fancy new dance move, but it's actually here to clean your floors. So let's mop up the competition, shall we? First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at a whopping $102. That's like a fancy dinner for two, minus the dessert. Meanwhile, the REECOO Steam Mop is just $69, perfect for those who want to keep their floors clean and their wallets happy. Reviewers have noted that while the Bissell is a bit on the pricier side, it delivers great performance and features that justify the cost. On the other hand, the REECOO is praised for being budget-friendly without sacrificing effectiveness, making it a favorite among cost-conscious shoppers. Now, let's get steamy. The Bissell takes about 30 seconds to heat up, which is decent for a steam mop. But the REECOO? It heats up in just 15 seconds. Reviewers love the quick heating time of the REECOO, stating it allows them to start cleaning almost immediately, which is a game changer for busy households. The Bissell, while slightly slower, is still noted for its consistent steam output once heated. When it comes to cleaning power, the Bissell promises to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is a big selling point for many users. Reviewers have highlighted its effectiveness, especially in households with pets. Meanwhile, the REECOO boasts a strong 1200 W power that releases steam at a sizzling 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Users rave about how it tackles tough stains, although some have mentioned that it requires a bit more effort on stubborn messes compared to the Bissell. Let's talk features. The Bissell has an onboard spot boost brush for those sticky messes. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially for cleaning up after pets. On the flip side, the REECOO is a 10-in-1 cleaner that can handle floors, sofas, windows, and even your baseboards. Users love this versatility and the value it offers, although some have noted that the mop heads can be tricky to clean after use. Both products have their unique strengths that cater to different cleaning needs. The Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, which is great unless you live in a mansion or have a pet that loves to trip you. Reviewers have mentioned its ease of use and maneuverability. The REECOO has a flippable design for its cloth head. It's like a dance move for your mop. Reviewers find this feature handy, making it easy to switch between cleaning modes. Overall, both mops are appreciated for their user-friendly designs, but the REECOO's flippable feature adds a fun twist to cleaning. Overall, the Bissell Steam Mop is often praised for its reliable performance and effectiveness in killing germs, making it a solid choice for heavier cleaning tasks. While it comes at a higher price, many users feel it's worth the investment. On the other hand, the REECOO Steam Mop stands out for its affordability and versatility, appealing to those looking for a multifunctional cleaning tool. However, some users have reported issues with durability and cleaning efficiency on tough stains, indicating that it may not meet everyone's expectations. So which mop should you buy? If you want a mop that supports a good cause and has a solid reputation, the Bissell is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly multitasking cleaning machine that practically does the cha-cha while cleaning your floors, the REECOO is calling your name. Remember, whether you decide to buy the Bissell or the REECOO, just make sure you mop up those messes before they become the next science experiment. If you enjoyed this comparison, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more hilarious and informative product showdowns, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Upbeat music fades out. End screen with channel logo and subscribe button.